everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Malanga our Fani from the 30th of March to the 3rd of April 2026 on Monday. Gumede gets an expensive lawyer for Sabelo. Mamsara opt against resigning from Osizweni. Thembi catches strays as social media cancels Sabelo on Tuesdays. Lovers tend to enemies when Oli and Sabelo each have to save their own skins. Thembi put her foot in it and has a crush out on a live stream. Sugar and Mamsara learn that they have a lot in common despite their past on Wednesday. Sabelo gets out of jail to find a shocking surprise in his safe. Mamsara severs another tie with Sugar Basin. A blast from the past put Thembi in front of the world on Wednesday. In front of the world on Thursday. Mamsara faint when she finds Sugar Basin at her house talking to Stanley. Sabelo goes toe to toe with Nodoli live on air. Dulas and Thembi have a live debate on Friday. Mamsara exposes herself and blames Sugar Basin for her mistakes. Sabelo's world crumbles from all angles, but he refuses to stay silent. Thembi reinstates the male matron at a cost. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.